K18 TripleBright is not just another purple shampoo. It's gonna do three things. Number one, it's going to remove the metals and minerals that cause brassiness in the first place. Number two, it's gonna neutralize with a precision violet technology. Lastly, it's gonna defend against the reattachment of those metals and minerals that create future brassiness from the oxidization. So we have three uses for the K18 TripleBright Purple Shampoo. The first one is going to be using it before our color service. So this is interesting because we don't usually think of using purple shampoo before doing a highlight. However, we're removing the metals and minerals that become oxidized and create the brassiness in the first place. The second use is in place of or in addition to a toner to enhance brightness. This is going to create a beautiful blonde if they don't want to have to tone their hair, which is going to save you on product. Or if you're gonna tone on top, it's gonna create a more even tone because it's not gonna deposit in those porous areas. The third use of our K18 TripleBright Purple Shampoo is as a take-home service. We can recommend our clients to use this once a week. Not only is this gonna maintain their desired tone, but keep the integrity of the color that you created. It comes in an easy-to-apply foam. Just apply that foam to wet hair, lather it for 1 to 3 minutes depending on the intensity of tone desired, and rinse it out. TripleBright gives you brighter, longer lasting blonde.